This new website that I'll share with you in today's video can make you money again and again. It works for absolutely free and also anywhere in the world, so anyone can join. In order to get every step right, make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can also get the desired results. Just before I start with this tutorial, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, to subscribe to my channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified each time I upload brand new strategies just like these ones on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use them and therefore make the most money. Also, if you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's start with this video so I can show you everything. Your very first step is to come over to the first platform for today that we are going to combine with another free tool that I'm going to give you. So just stay tuned to see how that free tool is going to help you with all of the hard work. So the first step is to come over to Latium.org. This is a place where people come to hire and also to work as a freelancer. So since today we are here in order to make money online, we are coming here to become a freelancer. So in the homepage you're going to see a lot of features that are relevant for employers that want to hire workers over here. So in order to get started right away, you need to go over to become a freelancer up here. So we are going to get to know more feature about freelancers. So you're going to see that you can start selling your gigs on Latium. You can list your first service and launch your freelancing career today. So you can even start as a beginner over here. So let's see how it works. You can just post your gig. You can sign up for absolutely free, create your listing and offer your service to employers worldwide so anyone can see your gig and hire you. You can then sell your gig. They're going to notify you when a package is going to sell, and you can discuss all the details with the employer, and then you can deliver your work. You can get paid in US dollars or even cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, so the payment coins you accept are up to you. You can even bid for projects. As you can see, they have a section up here for projects for bid, so you can find some employers that are asking for workers and you can bid for a particular project in order to just get paid by doing the job that it's already posted. So you have two possibilities here: to post a gig or even bid for projects, which is pretty awesome actually, because it increases your chances of making even more money. And let's scroll down to see some other features. So you can see some statistics over here. More than 1 million of users are registered in Latium. You can see that there are a lot of projects completed, and also you can work wherever you are and whenever you want. So you're going to be flexible, and you have a lot of categories and services that you can provide over here, and we are going to check them out in a minute. But of course I'm going to show you what category you're going to focus on today and what service you're going to provide in order to make money, and also use that free tool that I mentioned before that is going to help you a lot with all the hard work and save you a lot of time. Down here you have some frequently asked questions. You're going to see how much money you can make, so you can work and earn as much as you want. You can build a full-time income, or you can even work a little on the side so you can just get some extra income. How much does it cost? You can start for free, and then you can post up to 5 gigs for absolutely free, and then you can upgrade to verified or pro account. Of course, as a beginner you can just start with 5 gigs. It's more than enough. You're going to see what kind of services you can sell, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. Also, you can see how much time you can spend on here. So your work schedule as a freelancer is going to be flexible. It depends on you and how much time you're going to put on this, and also on how busy you are. How do you price your service? They offer you 3 levels of your service with gig packages, and packages can be priced individually from $5 up to $1,000 each. So it depends also on the service that you're going to provide. And how you're going to get paid, we saw that even before that you can get paid with US dollars or even Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So In order to get started, first of all, you need to click on the join button up here. You need to put your email address. If you want to do this manually, click on the continue button, or you can even continue with your Google account, Facebook account, or Apple account, which is a lot faster and a lot easier. So right now I'm going to show you how you can just bid for a project, so you can find some services that are and jobs that are already posted, and you can just see how much money they are paying. Of course, when you're going to create your account, you can even post your own gig. So if you go over to projects for bid, it's going to show you a lot of categories that you can work in. You have like graphics and design, websites and software, audio and music, video and animation, translation and languages. You can even click on other to see even more categories, but I want you to focus on graphics and designs. Once you click on it, you're going to see that they have a lot of subcategories that you can select, and you're going to focus on logo design. So just find the logo design subcategory and click on it, and you're going to see a lot of people asking for logo designs, and they are willing to pay like from $100, even more, $175, $200, and so on. So you're just going to create like a logo design for a company. That are going to give you the details, and then you're going to deliver it back to them, and you're going to get paid for that. So of course, as I said before, I'm going to show you that free tool that is going to help you with the hard work and save you a lot of time, so you can start as a beginner. Even if you don't know how to make some logo designs, just follow this video. What you can do is to go over to this website called Free Logo Design. This is over at freelogodesign.org. As you can see, you can create your own logo for free in just a few minutes, and you can just type the company name over here that your client is going to give you, and click on get started, and it's going to show you a lot of designs. So I'm just going to put the name of my YouTube channel just to show you an example, and then once you click on get started, of course it's going to give you a lot of already made templates. What you can do is to even select the category that the company is going to be in. So for example, it's going to be in the medical and pharmaceutical category. You can click on it, and it's going to give you a lot of ideas over here, and you can even customize them however you want actually. So just click on one that you like the most, for example this one here. So I'm going to click on it, and then you can customize it. You can add text, icons, shapes, logos. You can even just select the text, and you can change it. You can change the font, the color, the styles. As you can see, just explore it a little bit, so you can just create it, and you can customize it however you want. So once you're done, of course, you're going to click on the download button here, and after that you're going to come back to latium.org, and then you're going to submit your work to your employer, and you're going to get paid again and again. Of course, you're going to just bid for a project, or you can even list and post a gig as a logo design, so other people can see that post and they can hire you. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, just give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.